incredible academics, great mentors, and world-class management. These are the cornerstones of IMI Kolkata.
IMI Kolkata was set up in 2011 as a part of the IMI family of business schools by the RP Sanjeev Goenka Group to give world-class education to young minds in the field of management. Our mission is to produce socially sensitive, globally aware, value-driven individuals who are capable of providing leadership in organizations. IMI Kolkata's flagship 2-year full-time PGDM program has been accredited by AICTE, the All India Council for Technical Education, since inception, and by the NBA, National Board of Accreditation, since 2016. The program has also been accorded equivalence to the MBA degree by AIU, the Association of Indian Universities, again since 2016. IMI Kolkata has been ranked 52nd by the National Institutional Regulatory Framework, NIRF 2021. Outlook in November 2021 has published a ranking of India's best B schools 2022. In it, IMI Kolkata has been ranked 15th in top private MBA institutions category, 10th in private standalone institutions category, and 4th in top private B schools East Zone category.
As a business school, IMI Kolkata focuses heavily on research and international relations, joint conferences, and many other activities.
Breathtaking campus in the heart of the city of Kolkata that provides ample of opportunities to have lots of recreation activities, as well as that provides relaxation to your mind and body.
IMI Kolkata is continuously focusing on developing outcome-based learning environment. To prepare our students future ready, we are offering many contemporary courses like Digital Marketing, Marketing Analytics Lab, HR Analytics, Data Analytics, Cloud Computing, and many more.
Executive education plays a very important role in building the right skills that are needed in today's time. And we are happy to share we are providing training in number of areas using cutting edge skills as artificial intelligence and blockchain technology, analytics, and many more.
IMI Kolkata is witnessing 100% placement record since its inception, and we have the same target for the current batch as well. Companies like PwC, Deloitte, Byju's, KPMG, ICICI Bank, STFC, Global Data, among others, have reinstated their faith in us.
Our faculty members are highly sought after, and many have taught across global business schools.
We also want to share that we had trained professionals of a number of leading companies like GRSE, PCBL, CESC, LIC, Axis Bank, Allahabad Bank, and many more.
Our academic ecosystem encourages faculty members to publish in top-tier journals as well as engage with the industry through research and consulting assignments.
To create a bridge between industry and academia, we are continuously inviting industry experts to take the sessions within our regular courses.
The Department of Corporate Relations and Placement not only provides the job opportunities for our students, but also ensures the students are job ready.
This year, we have launched 1-year program in association with National Stock Exchange Academy, and it had received wonderful response. In addition, we are also planning to launch 1-year program in family business in association with University of Paris under the mentorship of RPSG Group.
To support this ecosystem of knowledge exchange, IMI Kolkata has developed many collaborations across the world.
One of the important pedagogy of IMI Kolkata is case study analysis. We use the cases mainly from Harvard Business Schools as well as Ivy Groups.
The disruptions due to the current pandemic conditions have affected organizations widely. IMI Kolkata's academic objectives and learning outcomes have been revised in the light of preparing our students to face up to the challenges to meet these disruptions which we see in the businesses.
As we speak, our students are in France doing an exchange program, and we are a part of the prestigious Study in India program.
Media, especially the digital media, became one of the key communication platform during the pandemic time. The Media and Branding Committee at IMI Kolkata takes all media activities to reach the students and stakeholders in a timely manner. Our recent initiative, IMIK Talkbacks, takes a step forward towards that direction to represent the culture, activities and life of IMI Kolkata through various media. We also encourage our students, clubs and committees to present their creative activities through various digital media platforms and social media platforms.
At IMI Kolkata, we have 12 clubs and 7 committees. All these clubs and committees are driven by students.
IMI Kolkata is an amazing campus with state-of-the-art infrastructural, academic and residential facilities. We always focus on all-around development of the student. After pandemic, we are focused on the safety and the health of the student. Therefore, we regularly sanitize our campus as well as we have thermal screening facilities.
In a span of 9 years, our graduates have shown evidence of becoming world citizens. They have developed ambition and pride in themselves through excellence. Our alumni are truly our greatest ambassadors.
I am really happy to be here. I see my friends, my campus, my professors and live the moments which I would have never gotten to experience if not for IMI Kolkata.
I still remember when I first came to IMI Kolkata. I was really nervous. It was the first time that I was staying without my family. I was not ready to live in a hostel with a complete stranger. However, when I stepped into IMI Kolkata, everything changed. The food, hygiene, faculty, as well as Wi-Fi 24 hours a day are absolutely top-notch.
It's a place to live, laugh and work together. IMI Kolkata provides us with a very good ecosystem wherein we can learn together and also live fullest being a student. The teachers and the faculty members are also very approachable and very friendly to the students. This is definitely a dynamic circle which I was looking for.
Orientation in IMI Kolkata is about the beginning of a new adventure. You start by discovering yourself, discovering the people around you. The first day of the orientation in which there are different activities that help you bond with individuals to work together as a group.
But apart from outside the classroom, I engage myself in different co-curricular activities like football, volleyball, basketball.
For me, it has been a transformational journey. It is a life transition that starts right in the second year. I'll always be grateful to IMI Kolkata for adding foundation to my knowledge and of course Philips Carbon Black for making me feel more than welcome.
Right now, I'm living my best life at IMI Kolkata.
Here, people are primed to change the world and become the next generation future leaders. In IMI Kolkata, we experience life as we call it.
So there are many more trainings that are awaiting for you. Come and join and start your journey with IMI Kolkata.